And Jason handcuffs him to a door. There is no key.
I didn't handcuff.
I know.
You're ours.
Yeah, you cannot leave. You have to stay here. Hopefully Jason will get him undone before Sunday. We'll bring you your dinner on a tray. Of course, you have your wrong hand. You turn around, Marla. Ah! My goodness. And you're a swimmer, too? You've developed those muscles in the wrong area, dear. Do you, obviously...
We have a side view?
Obviously, you don't think...
Hey, Laura, tell us into your best stroke.
Yeah, what's your... The breaststroke, maybe?
Yeah!
Yeah, oh, she got it.
The breaststroke! That's my breaststroke.
The best stroke is her breast.
Oh, wait, Uncle Dan I don't think saw. Did you see her, Dan?
Yeah?
Oh. All of her?
Let's get a shot of this now.
Wait, let's get mother and daughter here together.
No.
Boob to boob.
Over there. How's that?
Oh, she's got you beat, dear. Not by much, but... And Dan the man, released from his handcuffs.
Oh my gosh, it's ruined,
Yeah,
Jerry.
God, it does.
This stuff sort of runs in the family.
We can tell. You're darling. You kind of jiggle when you walk there, baby. Oh, Laura.
You're kind of...
What size bras do you guys wear?
Quadruple E.
Jumbo quadruple.
What about Darcy?
Oh, yeah. Now you look like a true Griffith.
Gut formation.
Gut formation. There it is.
My implants settled.
Yeah.
My implants settled.
Look it, they're hanging down. What happened to your body? And it burst?
He burst his bubbles. Oh, they're really basketballs. Oh, now you look like Aunt Cindy. Lovely. That's about what I look like. My face looks better. You look like your namesake.
Like a
Oh
guy.
wait, I'll be back.
You look like an old guy, you know.
I'll be back in a minute, guys.
Wait, I'm out of focus here. Okay, do that again. Woo, baby, shake that bottom.
Shake that healthy butt. Baby got back.
I don't want to hear any comments about
we would never. We hadn't even thought of that. Had we?
I can't even fit on the toilet.
Oh, cool. Now we have to put an X rating on this tape. You use the T word.
Here, Laura, come here. We have a new one to try. Come here. She'll be back.
Yeah.
Day 2.
Saddlebags. Oh, lovely. Wait, now you're too close. Back up. You're way too close.
Focus.
Your saddlebags take up the entire
Hi, guys.
camera.
This is Joe and Mac.
Are you sure that's not little John's head under there? What did you do with that baby?
Oh, Jason's down there roasting on a campfire.
Jason's what?
Roasting on a campfire.
Oh, that's good.
I had a really interesting handcuff experience today.
I know, we already have that on the tape.
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Laura's fucking...
Boing, boing. Watch that. Hey, dork. Don't eat it.
Yes. Aunt Cindy, if you could use
Yeah, she is. Uncle Dan.
Okay.
So, watching pro football funnies. Oh, you are focused.
Hi, Dan.
She'll stay.
Wiley.
think I'd make it, be able to make it.
You can't see her.
Alright, you got it?
Yeah, that's
Push this button right here when you're ready. Alright, now aim it at that tube, okay? Ready?
What? Yeah.
Alright.
It's off.
Star Fox here. Well, Laura is.
I got my gun.
There's a brat. Now we're downstairs in the basement. Oh. Growl. Hope it's you, girl. Creepy. You only knew what you're on. You're on Candy.
We only have an hour and a half of tape.
Oh.
Here
we have
Scarlet.
Poor baby.
They want to have sex with the more popular guys, you know, so they themselves can become popular, you know, so they say, you know, I had sex with
Scarlet.
and such. Well, what is it all right up to?
Oh. They have like total dog in the
Maybe thinks that he has
Poor
the arrogance and the
baby.
right and the privilege to use them, to hit and run, and just leave them in the dust. It's not so much, I think, about sex as it is about sex.
No, she was
That you want them.
Yeah.
wants to get your laugh.
Yeah.
You know you want me. You think I'm
Poor
just
baby.
cute, I'm nice guy, I'm the best you'll ever get. How do I look?
Do I look like I've been through Cincinnati? That's what I want to know.
That.
If she does get down there all that time, then what we can suggest is that she stays with Nancy and Bill Rockland. And say, if you want to go, you can stay with Nancy and Bill. They're at a wonderful place down there.
So how are we all doing? So,
Is that one of those mini cans?
yeah.
Oh, I've been looking at
Don't use all the film, you gotta save
Oh.
some.
Right.
Okay. I'm Dan and Christy's 16th birthday. Well, not really her birthday, but we're celebrating it today. See, surprise stuff, you know. Alright, so she's gonna, come around. She's gonna surprise her and stuff, you know. So, and Angie is here, and just watch.
Well, that's probably Cindy and Jason. I bet Dan and...
So just in case, Dan.
Why don't we...
Wait a minute.
You want me out? I'm trying to think of where the light switch is. So we... Laura, you can like... When Christy walks in, flip the light switch. Is that the one? I'm not sure. Quick tap. I see a guy. Oh, okay. That's Jason. Yeah. And I see a mother, and I think that's all we have. That's all we've got. Well, we have a baby. Well, we have it.
But you gotta wait till she turns the corner. Don't say anything till she turns the
I know.
corner.
you got it now.
Turn the corner.
At the end, plan B is in case she comes up here, you gotta sit there and shoot right.
That,
Just like that.
that's locked anyway.
Get him walking up through the window, though, if you want.
Yeah.
I like this way.
Oh, bless her.
Mom, why should I stand like this? Should I stand like this?
No.
Laura, move. Just go.
Does she know? Does she know?
I guess.
Oh, honestly.
You're a
Oh,
kid.
Laura, get the light.
You ready, Dan? Get ready. She's coming in.
Are you ready?
What do we do now?
Does he look like an obnoxious happy father?
Start.
Are we ready to say surprise? Oh my God! Oh, how pretty you are! Thanks, God. Oh, I don't suppose there's a car sitting out there for me or anything.
Fortunately, I've had recent experience.
Wow.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. A little early, but
Thanks. My God. Boy, you should really dress for the occasion, didn't she?
Get your kid back. We're making a food.
All right.
And you called it?
Or vacation, so yeah, there's a vacation.
Never.
Does that say
You
any?
guys must have gone out and bought crazy peas.
You went out and bought.
We need a cheese. Look over here.
It's not even.
Oh my gosh.
Even decorated the dining room.
Careful, careful, Dan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Can you smile? John. Oh. Nothing. Just give him a smile.
What you doing? Are you playing? Hi, John. Are you playing in your walker?
Hi.
Oh, my God.
Hi.
You're such a big boy. Oh, are you so cute?
We got.
Hi, Christy. You got a fishy? You got a fishy. You got a fishy. There's something on here.
Hi, John. Hi. Can you wave? Say hi. Hi. Ellie, you're so silly. You're so silly. Oh, yeah. Hey, silly boy. Hey there. Hey, silly. Hi. Hmm? You got fishes. You're eating your fishes. You're eating your fishes. Say bye-bye. 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 Hey, John is on top of Jason. Whoa, whoa. Oh, he's down for the pin. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pick him up now. He's getting sick of it.
Ear. Ear. You swallowed on my ear.
Huh? Yay! Hi! You gonna smile? John! Hey! There's a smile, yeah! Yeah! Hi, cutie.
That's in the parlay that Jim Lefebvre used yesterday. Could be again today. There's a bouncing ball.
Hi. What you doing? Are you swinging? Are you swinging?
And Junior feelings for
Hi. Hi, John.
Randy Myers.
I keep singing. John, your mother can't sing. Let's see.
God speed your love to me. That's what I can just talking.
Oh yeah.
Lonely rivers flow to the sea. To the sea.
Oh God.
To the open arms of the sea. Yay. Lonely. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Next up is Baby Baby.
Oh God. I think our house is in our mom. I think our mother's a net case. What do we do about it? John, why are you staring at her like that? Because she's insane.
Where's that? Baby Baby.
What do you think about this, Jason? We've disowned her. Disowned her. Okay. She didn't have the right tone.
Stars are shining for you.
I thought you were gonna say, talk it, Ma.
John Flake. All right.
What you doing, John? What you doing? Can you suck on your toes for us? Can you suck on your toes, please? What? Oh, there you go. What a monkey. What a monkey. Yummy. Toe sucking. Yum. Good job. Oh, that's great. Good job, John. Hi, John. Hi.
You need something to take the heat off. So you go for a refreshing Snickers ice cream bar.
Good. Okay, great.
So, but we got it all, and how many days did you stay there?
A couple
I figured
hours.
we could keep him in Dayton that way. Yeah, wait a minute, we should have done that. Well, and we broke a pair of Cindy's tweezers trying to get him out. Yeah, what you call it? Like the picture
birthday.
That's so funny. How goes little girl this year? Happy birthday, Lily.
It looks like us.
It's so funny. I'm like, I saw the top half and I'm like, that looks really weird. So I pick it up.
Those are gourds.
I know. That's what I'm like.
Maracas. Maracas are the ones with handles and features.
Yeah. That's why I put gourds.
All right. Okay, Lisa. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay. That's so funny. I have a feeling I know what this is because what you said on the phone.
Oh, I didn't mean to say anything. I just happened to tell you.
I knew it. I knew it. Because she was talking about Spokesman Company, and we've been talking about it, and she's been telling me about this Jude Deborah.
This is her
person.
best book. Her best
Really?
book. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and so I was like, I was looking for it at the library, and I didn't see any of them. And so I told Lisa, I'm like, there's none in our library. And so she probably wanted to. So I'm gonna read it.
Okay, you can read it.
Good.
It's the best
Okay.
book ever. You start with the smallest.
They're all for Mom and Dad. You should open the card first.
Oh, I forgot.
Your car is waiting for you outside,
Lisa
Chris.
on the phone after I bought the card.
See?
Oh. Great. Well, all of
Wait till you read this one.
You know, they all start out, two beautiful daughters.
Yeah.
Or two beautiful
with love,
great-
daughter, on your birthday. More than just years it takes understanding.
Oh my gosh.
Present number 1.
Oh, neat.
Oh, weird. Can you open it is the question.
Oh, wow. Oh, makeup.
Ooh.
Done.
She got makeup.
Yay! Hey, we'll see how long this lasts in my bedroom.
Okay. You can bring that to gift recital and we'll have a good time.
Yeah.
Well,
You've got them in such range. So
I
nice.
thought I did a nice job.
My mom just like throws
Well,
them.
she's trying. She thinks she's hiding one from me.
You already sneak peek.
I was picking something up off the
right there.
Ooh. Oh, neat. Okay. Do you see it? Okay.
Wow. Snazzy.
Snazzy stuff.
You're not opening them in the correct order now. But that's okay.
Well, you didn't have them like
like
number
numbered.
one. Wait, oh wait, you can do that while I sit there. Blah! Okay, take that. Okay. Gosh. You guys probably bought the Yay! This is what I wanted! Yay!
And does the shirt match?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It goes with the sandals.
Oh, you're right.
oh.
Yay!
And your new underwear, too.
I saw these and I loved it. I saw an orange. I didn't see the yellow. This one. I saw
I like that one.
the,
That's cute.
Aunt Alice and I saw that. And Aunt Alice says, that looks like Christy.
That's just that, like the skirt.
Yeah, and then the shirt goes with it.
Say hi,
And
John.
also that denim shirt,
Yeah.
will go with it.
That's right, it will.
My blue sleeveless one.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
If there's one.
And there's one more, little one.
A hidden one.
the hidden one.
That thing comes in small
Doesn't
packages.
sound like car keys, does
No.
it?
Wow, neat.
Show that one to the camera. Wow.
Sapphire.
Neat.
It is? What color is
Sapphires
it?
and pearls.
Blue.
Blue? It's just really dark.
That's so neat.
I don't know. You have to try it on and we probably have to take it back.
Okay.
Try it on and then we'll take it back.
Oh, fits my left hand. Does it fit my left hand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can wear it on your pinky and your...
No. I can't wear it.
Don't get
My fingers are so big. I hate it. And
I have
got
big
it.
Well, we have to order one if it's too big, I mean too small. It doesn't look like it's too small though.
If I just wear it on my left finger, then people will think I'm engaged.
No, they won't. I don't think they will. No, because you wear your clasp ring on your right hand.
Okay.
You like
I
it?
like it, yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh,
yeah.
Well, you don't want it to fall off.
It feels like my fingers are No, Mom! I'm moving, Mom.
Okay, what side are you laying on? Does it matter? Oh, like we can see you.
This is while John is eating.
Yeah, exactly.
John, are you eating there? Hi, John. Hi. Say hi.
What?
Jeff left his baseball hat at home.
I've never seen Jeff without that.
He does have a top of his head.
Sure you don't want to borrow a hat for the evening?
I wish I could.
It's like way down low. How come it's like that?
Is it too?
It's down at the bottom.
Oh.
No, it's okay. It's fine. Just leave it alone. Okay, we're leaving.
No, not yet. I'm not here. Yeah.
Cool, joy.
Just actually stand over here. I don't know why.
Mom, do I remember you told me stories about how...
I know.
This is the duty. This
that's
is
right,
the
you
duty.
have to live through
That's
this.
right.
Oh my gosh.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. One more. That's it. Hold on. There we go. There we go. All right. Oh.
Have a camera.
Okay. Are you going to
Hi.
Get a little lamp. And you put it on that one.
Did you get a tape it?
No. Hold on. Oh, that's right. We have to go to Schmoo. Oh, my God.
What's that?
Colors are like iconic.
Have a good time. Good luck. You guys have a good time.
What's that? Shoot!
Turn off the videotape.
No!
Oh, wait, you're going to buy one.
He thought of everything.
For opening the door for you.
That's optional.
We love you. Look pretty.
See you later.
Have fun. Be good.
While you're eating. Hi.
Bye.
Bye. What you doing?